From the Chloe Bruce Academy. Welcome to another workout on my ultimate leg strengthening program. So by now you should know the drill. Make sure you're nice and warm before you've started. At least a 5-minute warm up before joining me in the dynamic stretches. So let's get going with today's 5 dynamic stretches. So if you'd like to start today on the floor, make sure you've got a nice floor space. If you start with your hands behind you, legs out straight, the first one we're going to start with is a knee into chest and then back down, okay? So here, down, and then here, down. And we're going to do 6 of these on each leg. Let's go. Moving on, the next one we're going to do is exactly the same, but we're going to do it with a straight leg. So from here, you're just going to come up as straight as you can. You can bend the other leg if you wish to here, okay? Aiming to get your leg to rest against your chest. Perfect. And we're going to do exactly the same, 6 on each side. Let's go. Moving on to exercise number 3, we're going to do a knee circle, okay? So we're going to bend one leg and straighten the other, and this time the leg that's straight is going to come up to our chest, out as wide as you can, and then back straight, okay? So 6 on each side. Let's go. This time, exactly the same start position, one leg bent, one leg straight. The leg that's straight this time is going to do the same motion we did in the previous exercise, but with a straight leg. So watch, here and round, okay? Feel free to bend into the arms if you wish, just to get a little bit more movement throughout your body, okay? So you can come here and round, okay? I'll just show you one from the side. So watch, here, come here and round, okay? 6 of those on each side. Make sure you get your biggest range of movement throughout the hips on this exercise. Let's go. Very good. Okay, so for drill number 5 of the dynamic stretches, we're going to do the hip opener, but with 2 legs this time. So we're going to come up straight, out as wide as you can, through box if you can, back to center. I'll just show you an example. So legs straight, we're going to come up, out, and round. Okay, 6 of these. Let's go. guys.